Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to free up space on TikTok. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now, click on your profile icon on the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Next, click on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and click on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down the menu, find the Free Up Space option and click on it. Step 6. Now, find the 2 options, Cache or Downloads. Step 7. For the last and most important step, click on the Cache option, then click on the Clear option. Next, click on the Downloads option, then click on the Clear option again. Free up space instantly on your TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.